that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
Sometimes, even when someone is taking care of us, we still feel empty. Just like this cat, we also miss the ones we love. We smile outside, but inside, we're holding on to memories.
'Cause I need you to